mid-taper, you start off by making this triangle right above his eyebrows, connecting to it around where the ear connects, and like a triangle. The reason why we do this is keeping this C cup dark. There's a lot of bulk around this area and we want to create this shape. So we're gonna lift up and take this bulk. Lift up the ear and then scoop in, scoop out, take that bulk. One guard open, going up about 1.5 centimeters, and making sure we're flicking out. And that looks about good. Next step, 2 guard, and just attacking that line. And I'm flicking out, making sure I'm really flicking out because onto all this bulk right here. And I'm also using my corners of my clipper to get those dark spots. So these dark spots here, 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 bang, bang, bang. Line up the C cut so then we have a clearer canvas. After you line up the C cut, it really just brings out all the imperfections in the fade. So we get that nice and crispy. And if you notice, I started at the corner of this box, lining up going into its sideburns. Boom. After, open, and then we're gonna go 1 centimeter above, and we don't want to touch these corners right here. Going up about 1 centimeter, using our corner of the blade to control how much we cut off. And then immediately I've got my half guard close at halfway, and we're taking out this faint line right here. Using the corner, flicking out all those dark spots. And close it one more, and that line is out. Next step, we're going in closed, taking out our last guideline, using the corner of our blade to just tap that line away, and making sure we're like doing micro flicks. So slowly, as you can see, I'm taking out this line effortlessly. And then once that bottom line's gone, I open it right in the middle and just connecting that fade. And pretty much this fade's done, but I'd like to do some detail work. Open it fully and just connect everything. You can see a little bit of dark spots here. Boom. Good fade done. We're doing his front lineup. We're going to start right in the middle. Create the first guard line. So there's guidelines for everything, even a guideline for a lineup. So you make your first initial guard line, and then you just want to carry that same line all across. And making sure you take our time. This is one of the most important parts of a haircut. Connecting that towards the vertical bar. Right here. And then angling off in vertically, and boom.